Okay, so we're gonna do our first actual forging full project video that I've done in a while. This is gonna be for a giveaway, and I'll give details of the giveaway at the end of this video. So what we have here is a 1/4 by 1 inch flat stock. And what we're gonna do today is we're gonna make a Mjolnir pendant. I know I did a video on making one before, but it really wasn't a lot of forging. I kind of got somewhat of a shape by forging and then ground a lot of it in. I wanna fully forge the shape out. I don't wanna have to do any grinding. I just wanna forge the shape. So let's get to it. Okay, so what I wanna do here is I wanna take, I think about 3/4 of an inch. I don't want quite an inch. I think I'm going with about 3/4 of an inch. Three quarters. Then we're gonna mark put those in there so that when I get it hot, I can come back and find those. We're gonna start forging our isolation there, and I think I might use the press to kind of get things started a little bit on drawing up, because I really want to get a real nice sharp corner right here to come down. So let's get the forge going and get this hot. All right, so here is what's going to be like the hammer handle forged out. I wish I could have got a better isolated edge here to forge down. I think I can square it up because I'm going to have to cut here and then put it in the vise and hammer down and kind of hammer on the edge of the anvil. So I think I can square that up and make it look a little nicer. But don't be surprised to see a Need a Tool Make a Tool coming soon of some kind of spring fuller or something for either the press or the anvil to come in and get a better corner and then be able to draw. I could have cut out a wedge to get a nice square corner and draw it out, but I wanted to do it all forging. Looking back on it, I kind of wish I would have done that just to get a better, easier end product. But I think we can get there. So I'm finishing letting it cool down. Then we're gonna nip off, I think right about there, about a little over 1/2 inch, maybe 5/8. Cut that off and then get this end hot and forge the actual hammer part out. So there's the stock cut off, and we're going to forge the hammerhead part out of here. We're going to start off putting it in the vise here and try to spread this out and square this up a little bit. Okay, so I'm back to finish this out. I took a little break. I was starting to get real hot yesterday. So we've got this a little angled here. I'm gonna try to straighten that out. And then if you see the taper on this is kind of lopsided, so I'm gonna try to straighten that out a little bit. Then we're gonna flatten this out, roll the eye for the loop for a necklace or keychain ring, and then do some cleanup, and we'll call it good to go. All right, so here is the finished product. I'm really happy with the way this came out. I know some things I want to do different now, but I'm way more happy with this than the last one I made about a year ago, I think. So this is going to be up for giveaway, and also so is this. This mug was made by someone local, HMC Creativity, and it's HMC Creativity on Facebook. Go check them out. They did an awesome job. I got one for myself and one for the giveaway. Here is their card, and I will drop a link in the description of this video to their Facebook page. Please go check them out if you want to order something. So how the giveaway is going to work, I'm at 100, and let's check real quick. I'm at exactly 140 subscribers. So this is going to run until I get up to 150. And once I get up to 150, everybody entered. So all you got to do to enter is go into the description or into the comments and say, hey, you know, just let me know you want to be in the drawing. Let me know you're subbed. And once we get to 150, we'll do a giveaway. And how it's going to work is we're going to throw everybody's name in a hat. And then the four of us, my wife, me, and my two sons, will draw out 4 names. Those 4 names will go back into the hat, just those 4, and we'll draw out 2 names from that. The first name drawn will be our grand champion, and they will get to choose between the Mjolnir pendant or the mug. And then the second place winner will get whichever one the champion didn't choose, and I will ship them to you and cover shipping and everything. So yeah, I just want to say thank you to everybody, and thank you, Heather, for making these mugs. They are awesome. I love mine. And they're really good too. Like I drink a lot of ice water, and I put a lot of ice in it, fill it up with water, and it stays cold and keeps ice all day pretty much. So please check them out. If you could share this video around to help us get there a little quicker to the 150, I would appreciate it. I've added a new item to the Etsy store. I added some of the steak cup holders that I made. Those are up on the Etsy store if you want to check that out. Or if you could go to the Etsy store and share some of my listings, that'd be awesome. I'd really appreciate it. And I think that is all for today, guys. Have a good day.